Hey travelers, it's Imam from Travels with Imam. If you're planning a trip in 2025 and rely on medications, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the latest TSA rules and show you how to travel stress-free with your meds. Let's get started on making your 2025 travels smooth and worry-free when it comes to your health. Alright, let's dive straight into the core of it, the new TSA rules for 2025. The good news is that the TSA continues to recognize the importance of travelers bringing their medications. For 2025, they've aimed to streamline the screening process, but this enhanced efficiency really hinges on your preparation. You're still permitted to bring your medications in both your carry-on luggage and your checked bags. However, the emphasis on clear labeling and comprehensive documentation has significantly increased. The updated guidelines highlight that while medications don't need to be in their original prescription bottles, having them clearly identifiable is key. Now that we understand the importance of the rules, let's talk about the practical side: what to pack and where to pack it. The golden rule is to always keep your essential medications in your carry-on bag. Checked baggage can get delayed, lost, or be subject to extreme temperature changes that could affect your medication's efficacy. The TSA is generally accommodating when it comes to the types and forms of medication. For pills, there's usually no specific limit on quantity, as long as it's considered a reasonable amount for your trip. Liquid medications over 3.4 ounces must be declared to the TSA officers at the security checkpoint for separate screening. Traveling internationally with medications introduces a whole new layer of complexity. While the TSA rules govern your departure from the United States, the rules of your destination country will dictate what you can bring in. Your first step should always be to bring copies of all your prescriptions, and if necessary, get them translated into the local language. Organization is your best friend when it comes to breezing through TSA with medications. Consider using a dedicated travel pill organizer. If you're carrying controlled substances or a large quantity of a particular medication, keep at least some of it in its original pharmacy-labeled packaging. Labeling everything clearly cannot be overstated. The TSA is now increasingly using AI-assisted scanners at security checkpoints. Keep your medication bag separate from your toiletries if possible, so you can easily remove it and present it for screening if requested. We're nearing the end of our guide, so let's do a quick recap of the most crucial points and touch on a special consideration: temperature-sensitive medications. First, always label your medications clearly. Second, always carry a copy of your prescription or a doctor's note. Third, pack all your essential medications in your carry-on bag. Finally, let's address medications that require cooling, such as insulin. The TSA permits items like ice packs, but they must be declared to a TSA officer at the checkpoint for inspection. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to traveling with medications under the new 2025 TSA rules. Preparation is absolutely key. A little bit of planning before you leave home can make a world of difference at the airport. The core message is to be informed, be organized, and be proactive. Travel smart, stay safe, and let your medications be the least of your worries. Subscribe to Travels with Imam for more tips like this. Happy and healthy travels to all of you in 2025 and beyond.